Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page on this regard that I'm providing very, very important, very crucial civil justice sign off for myself and also for, it's a multitasking, it's a wisdom. Okay, so now what this session is all about. Okay, I convey Pope Francis destroyed 27 amendments, isn't it? And that's a proof. Okay, so I'm providing all the proof, and that's all the USA federal government wants, to lay off Pope Francis on the spot immediately. Any moment, Pope Francis must resign, and he will resign, and he must be only thrown in volcano. And I have the other proof also. And that proof says, it is from the Revelation chapter 20, and the verse 15 says, anyone not found written in the book of life, let them be cast into the lake of fire. So I was not joking. You all got it? And it's not a spam, it's not a scam, it is not a deceptive misinformation. There is never absolute monarchs organization into Christianity. Simple as that. So either Pope Francis or the absolute monarch should say whether they know what is Holy Bible, or they have to say they don't know Holy Bible. Either Holy Bible should get out of the earth if it is wrong, or Pope Francis and the team should get out of the earth if it is wrong, because they all created a lot of damages to me, and I want that only for civil justice to be served. And it is according to the Holy Bible, and it's not a documentary, it's not a film, it's not a fiction, it's not a joke, it's not a stand-up comedy. No. It's not fun, it's not funny. I do not want anybody to laugh out loudest, right? Because This is a very crucial civil justice that's going on, and it is a death penalty that I already signed for Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II and all the Islam leaders. Nobody can escape because they provided the tax mandate and tax fraud, deadliest crime. And top of it, and above all, they also destroyed the 27 amendments of USA operations. It's a zero tolerance. It's a zero tolerance. And above all, he failed in his God's job, failed in Pope's job. Yes, my dear fellow man, can be patient, okay? Hold on tight there. More crime is there. And yes, there's still only 10 more percent. That's not reducing, means that many crimes is there. When I reach out to only 5%, then I will let you all know. Still, we are in the last 10% of the crime displayed to the USA government. I have to, as soon as possible, display all the crimes provided by Pope. And that way, Pope must resign immediately, and I become the Vatican leader. Then I get all the job. Then I get all the authority. Then I start working on the task. Okay? And with that said, I will quickly read through this civil justice. March 19th of 2021. March 19th of 2021. Proof why deadliest wild, humane, endangered species, absolute monarchs, Pope Francis, the Satan organization, created tax fraud. And absolute monarchs, Antichrist, is never written in Holy Bible. And all absolute monarchs must get in volcano in Hawaii, USA only. For I, where the Priya Prose, true owner of USA, chose the death penalty location for absolute monarchs as in Holy Bible guidelines only. So what is the Holy Bible guidelines? According to the Holy Bible, Revelation chapter 20 and 15, it says, anyone not found written in the book of life, let them be cast into the lake of fire. So according to that particular Bible verse, Pope Francis and all the Islam leaders and Queen Elizabeth II, yoga gurus and Dalai Lamas must get a volcano in Hawaii only. As of March 17th of 2021, USA's deadliest human endangered Islam, Judaism, Zionism, paganism, Babylon nation, and is a slavery of Vatican Queen Elizabeth II. And I am that I am, Veda Priya Prose, born to free USA from all evil forces. Ongoing civil justice sign-off is very crucial for I, Veda Priya Prose, to sign off the job offer now and free USA and all nations now without any delay, as clearly written in the Holy Bible. Whatever in the Holy Bible is happening now, so please celebrate Merry Christmas, festival of true love, and voices can celebrate Merry Christmas. So when I'm throwing all the absolute monarchs in the lake of fire volcano in Hawaii, for the task, I want all the humans to sing Christmas carols and celebrate Merry Christmas worldwide loudest. Got it? It's a multitask. There's a wisdom when I'm saying that task. You all should be celebrating Merry Christmas loudest, sing Christmas carols now on a spring day. And I will keep on throwing one by one all evil forces in the lake of fire. Let them be gone in ashes. And as of March 17th of 2021, crime proved that Antichrist, Satan, Lucifer, Pope Francis in all 50 states of USA proved deadliest tax fraud classified as domestic violence, of war crimes, and of slavery tax fraud, and hatred tax fraud, and discrimination tax fraud, and also destroyed all 27 amendments of USA, and it is classified as deadliest zero tolerance war crime. I, where the Priya Prose, proved all men and women of USA are slaves, immigrants to Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and that is why destroyed USA national operations and justice operations with Satan, Antichrist, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, Satan, hell creators, created Vatican Code of Law, handbook given to USA to destroy USA, and it is deadliest crime to destroy national operations. Pope Francis, the Satan, must resign now. And I, where the prayer pro se, must be the Vatican leader now, as in for Holy Bible guidelines only. USA must kneel down before 7.9 plus billions of humans, and USA must should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans in next 1 second is civil justice served according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. I, Vedapriya Prose, proved the deadliest tax fraud crime of USA. So President Joe Biden must should resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, Native Indian tribe, to Israelite Christian Jew tribe of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, must be interim leader of USA now. Civil justice served to I am that I am, born to save the world. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.